Water balloon on the rickshaw. That one got in my eye. Got hit by a water balloon on the rickshaw, but now we're just getting hit by. Well, yours looks cool because you got the white, so you got color all over. But like it's literally all in air. Well, I guess there's no avoiding it. US. My gosh, look at those people. One guy nearly on my face.
Yeah, me too.
This is what happens when you tell people that you'll take a selfie.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Yeah, Elby.
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But when will I be yours?
Happy Holi! You okay?
Yes, yes.
Your country?
Yes.
Happy Holi, bhaiya.
Happy Holi.
Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.
Oh my gosh, you can't even. Okay. Okay, okay. Should we go like? I don't know where to go. Should we just go like over this way? I was just trying to get off the street. Yeah. Turn. That stuff, that spray stuff kind of came out, but your hair's like, but your shirt is completely like color.
That was good. Yours is like crusty.
I know. I don't know how it got crusty right there.
Here, let me see.
It's just embrace the chaos. There's like piles of like sand thrown at you. That's what it felt like. Should we go back?
Do you want to walk that way?
Yeah, let's walk that way.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi. Happy Holi.
Both looking so cute together. Excuse me if you don't mind. Excuse me.
Yes.
If you don't mind, could you please give a picture with my children?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
They're so cute.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Happy Holi.
हाँ ये सर हैप्पी होली इधर खड़े हो जाओ अरे खड़े हो जाओ हेलो सर थैंक यू सर थैंक यू हैप्पी होली
Yes. Happy Holi. Happy Holi.
Beautiful, beautiful. Happy Holi.
हमारे साथ मेहमान
You good? I know. We gotta do what?
Over there?
Over there?
That side. That with the back side, gate number 2. Only this gate number 2.
Okay. So we can't go in right here.
Oh, okay. That way? Okay. Oh yeah, he's stopping. Well, trying to stop people. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, my friends.
Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We're going into the. How do we go into the
You're
temple?
doing some kind of vlogging?
Yes, just making a video of everything. Yes, yes.
You have to go whole vrindavan, you know?
To the whole vrindavan? Yeah. Okay. Do you know where the entrance is to the temple? Right here?
The first entrance is from there, and the second one is from here.
Okay. Okay. All right. I think we can go in here, probably, right? Maybe. Oh, I think we can put our shoes in this. You taking your socks off? Oh my gosh! Literally, I bend over and it just
It like flicks off.
yeah. Do you think it's okay? Yeah. Got like blue all in your hair.
It looks like I have a hat on.
You know what mine looks like too?
No.
Yours, mine doesn't look like that. You got a lot of. I guess it sticks in your hair.
Happy Holi.
Our shoes are still here,
Are
surprisingly.
here.
I think it looks like everybody else wears like flip flops or slides, so it's like
This is all we had, so we'll
I don't
make
think.
it work.
Yeah, we're out of the temple now and back out into the road, into the chaos. It looks like it's snowed here. The road used to be black. Happy Holi. Yeah, let's go down this way. Freaking covered.
The seats have plastic on them so that you don't get colored. I am starving. So we got some rice and paneer butter masala.
That looks good. Your shirt is literally like a whole different color.
How is it?
Real good this time. Got a little spice to it, a little kick. Tastes a little powdery though. I feel like I got it on my lips. Really good.
We're venturing back out into the madness. I'm not sure if I'm ready, but
Yeah.
here we go. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. He said
Watch out.
I know. Just have coffee. We're headed back now. Hopefully, I don't know.
I knew that was cool.
Yeah. I guess people got some water. I think that was just water, though. I don't think it's colored water.
Yeah, it kind of felt really good, actually.
But then I saw the guy filling it from the puddle on the side of the road, so I don't really love that too much. But
Close your mouth.
puddle water on the
So fun. There's so many people.
I was surprised there's so many this many people still out, but I guess they out all day.
Every time we come out, there's even more people than before. Everyone is covered in color. It's so nice. Oh gosh. I know we're having so much fun. We're about to go back and shower a little bit of this off before we head out, I think, to Holy Gate.
Yeah, going to Holy Gate.
This night. Tonight.
Sure.
So, yes. We'll be back.
Round 2.